In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix LG Waschmaschinen-IE error code. So let's get started. First, what IE error code means? It means that the washer was unable to fill with water. There are several possible reasons for this error code. One reason could be due to cold and freezing weather conditions, where the water supply lines are frozen. In this case, once the temperature increases above freezing, the water supply will resume, and the error code will disappear. Another possible reason for the IE error code is that the water taps are not fully open. First, what you need to do is to check the water tap and make sure that the tap is open fully. After you open them, the washing machine will continue with normal operation. If everything with the water taps is okay, the next step is to check the hoses. If the inlet hoses are damaged or badly twisted, water may not flow properly into the washer, and they will need to be replaced or straightened if they are badly twisted. If everything is fine with the hoses, then the last and most common reason for the IE error code is the filter at the inlet hoses. The filter collects sediment and other debris, which can clog the filter and prevent water from flowing properly into the washer. To fix this, first, turn off the water tap. Then remove the water inlet hose from the washer. Note: before removing the hoses, make sure to have a bucket or cloth to drain the remaining water from the hoses. Once you remove the water inlet hose, check the inlet filter on the inlet valve of the washer for any mineral deposits or other debris that may be clogging them. As I see in my case, exactly that is the problem of appearing the IE code. Too much sediment and other debris. If your filter is also clogged like this, you need to remove it. You just have to take it out carefully so as not to damage the filter. After removing the filter, clean and wash it thoroughly to enable the flow of water again. Once you have cleaned the filter, put it back in place and reattach the hose. Ensure to secure the hose well to prevent water leakage. And then turn on the water tap again, and very important is to check again that the hose is tight and not leaking. And finally, to ensure that the issue has been resolved, it's recommended to turn off your washing machine and then turn it on again. Once you've turned it on again, select a washing program and start it. Then wait for the washing machine to start filling with water. As we can hear, the machine started to fill with water. If you hear the same sound of water flowing into the machine, then congratulations, the problem has been fixed. Now, be sure to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.